So hello friends, today we are going to discuss techniques of an identity theft. So in last lecture we discussed the what is identity theft method, which is to be useful for phishing. Identity theft, it is a way with the help of that hacker or unauthorized user uh, steal the information of another person and use that information for his use that identity of that another person for his personal use. Now there are different techniques which is to be useful for identity theft, that are human based method and computer based method. Now human based method, there are different ways which are available: direct access to the information, dumpster diving, mail theft and rerouting, shoulder surfing. So shoulder surfing is basically which is to be used by hacker whenever any victim or person which is to be enter his credential into the system. False or disguise ATM, this is the way with the help of that the what we can say that uh, dummy ATMs which are available, and with the help of that the debit card information which is to be steal by the hackers. Now next one is dishonest employees. The what we can say that the dishonest employees which is to be share the information of their organization to the another organization. What we can say that another organizations or opponent party for their financial reward. Now next one is telemarketing and fake telephone calls. Okay, so this is the general way with the help of that telephone, or what we can say that telemarketing, with the help of that that hacker or unknown person which is to be interacted with the victim, and during the conversation they motivate to that person, your ATM card is blocked or your credit card is blocked, kindly share your user ID and password or CVV code and OTP which is to be available on your mobile number, so your ATM will be unlocked. So thus in this way they are trying to convince that victim to enter their details. Now another one is computer based, or this is the modern way with the help of that identity theft or phishing which is to be performed. Backup theft, hacking unauthorized access to system and database theft, that is the SQL injection. Phishing and farming, also phishing is there, smishing is there, by phishing the person by the video or voice over internet protocol. Another way is a smishing, that is SMS wishing, that fraud SMS which is to be sent or forwarded to the customer, victim, to enter their credentials. So thus in this way computer based method which is to be performed. So there are different way with the help of that identity theft technique which is to be performed: human based and computer based. Okay, thank you.